What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Ford Era. You got me, Solomon here, and Hutch, and we're gonna give you guys a full tour of what's inside at the F100 Supernationals 2021. Awesome little Ranger.
What's happening, Solomon?
What's up? Just talking about your little red Ranger over here.
Yeah, okay, well, good deal. Good.
You're over here. Might as well tell us a little bit about her.
Oh, yeah. Well, we got her 4 years ago, I guess. It was an original truck. Had 360 with a granny 4-speed in it. Wanted to go a different route, so bought the Cody engine. We stripped it, repainted it, put all new moldings, bumpers, re-chromed the grill, put new wheels, tires, lowered it, all the above, and
made her into a badass truck.
Well, I like it.
I love it. I'll see you later, Tommy. bed floors. If you guys don't already know, Evolutionary Rides, if you need a new bed floor, they make them short bed, long bed with the corner pans. That way you can redo your floor, make it brand new. That's actually my truck, Oscar. So you guys make sure to hit up Joey if you need some. GT350 motor? Oh boy.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Lonnie, tell us a little bit about this thing.
Oh, this is actually Marty's truck.
Marty, how are you?
Hi.
Solomon.
Hi.
Tell us a little about this thing.
Oh, it's this truck I picked up, started building. I built it in my house and used all of their suspension stuff in it.
Because you know what's up.
Yeah. And I come across that motor and transmission and stuff. Thought I'd something a little different than just a Coyote swap. You know?
I've heard those things rev, and I bet it sounds so good.
Yeah. I just run I've got all dumped together and coming out of a big old exhaust pipe. I'm coming out one, so it's got a Ferrari sound to it when it gets up there.
I can't wait to hear you pull out of here. Awesome. We're going to keep walking around. I'll catch you boys later.
All right, see ya.
And that is all of the trucks that are inside. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, if you enjoy this video, consider subscribing to the channel. If you like the content, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to get any cool merch, we got hats, shirts, keychains, stickers, all types of stuff. FordEra.com, and we'll catch you in the next one.